Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by getting essentials out of the way quickly. First, update your Ps5 system software and the PlayStation app because mismatched versions often block sharing. Then make sure both the console and the device you'll mirror from are on the same Wi-Fi network. Different subnets will prevent a connection. Finally, open Settings, go to System, and confirm Remote Play and Screen Share are enabled. This allows your Ps5 to accept incoming streams and fixes many initial failures. Once done with basic checks, focus on the network and device configuration that commonly breaks screen share. Assign a static IP or a DHCP reservation so the Ps5 address won't change, and aim for NAT type 1 or 2 to reduce blockages. Enable UPnP on your router or manually forward ports 9295, 9296, and 9303 for PlayStation services. Also close competing apps on your phone or PC. To finish, try the PlayStation app or Remote Play app to initiate the screen share and confirm the stream works. If one device fails, test with another to isolate the issue. If connectivity persists, sign your PSN account out and back in or remove and re-register the console in the app. This clears registration errors. If problems continue, switch to a wired Ethernet connection and temporarily disable VPN or strict firewalls because they commonly block the real-time ports required for screen sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.